Bitcoin is currently sitting at around $90,000. But from this point on, in order to 10x, Bitcoin would need at least $16 trillion in new money pouring in. And that's roughly the size of the US stock market's total value. XRP at just over $2, well, that would need only around 1.1 trillion for the same 10x, which is way more realistic given real-world growth. So today, we're breaking down the numbers from my valuation models to see which coin has the better shot at making you seriously rich by 2027. So let's get straight to the core issue. Market cap size changes everything for big returns. So Bitcoin's market cap is around 1.8 trillion right now. So massive gains means massive money has to flow in. And at a larger scale, that becomes harder to do. XRP's market cap sits at around 121 billion. It's smaller, so that same percentage jump requires far less new cash. That's why smaller assets with stronger use cases can deliver those life-changing multiples much more easily. So let's dive into both investments, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the king of crypto for a reason, and we call it digital gold. Why? Because its supply is capped at 21 million coins, and right now, it's getting tighter. Over 73% is held by long-term investors who aren't selling. ETFs are scooping up millions more, and companies and even governments are adding it to their treasuries. This shrinks what's available to trade and backs up its role as the main reserve for the crypto world, with trillions tied to it through stablecoins. And for everyday payments, Bitcoin has a Lightning network to make things faster and cheaper. And upcoming catalysts like more global ETFs keep the momentum going. And as I said earlier, today, Bitcoin is trading for around $90,000. My valuation model shows a bull case valuation of around $400,000 by 2030 if institutions keep piling in. And that's reliable growth that you can count on. XRP, on the other hand, is built for a much different purpose. XRP is built specifically to speed up international money transfers that are slow and costly with old systems such as Swift. XRP moves money in seconds for pennies on its fast, decentralized network. It's already handling over 5 trillion a year through Ripple's tools, cutting costs up to 90% for big banks such as Santander, and exploding in places like Asia. Central banks in countries like Bhutan and Palau are even testing digital currencies on XRP's tech, which is huge for the future. Just look at late 2025. XRP hit quarterly highs of around $2.85. Its market cap jumped 29%. While beating Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana combined in growth for that quarter. Tokenizing real assets like treasuries and real estate tripled in value on the network. And Ripple's stablecoin grew quickly, with daily activity surging, and we can't forget that companies are holding XRP like they are Bitcoin treasuries. The game changer is US spot XRP ETFs that were launched late this year, pulling in serious institutional cash after years of regulatory clarity. XRP is currently trading at around $2 right now, and I have done 2 separate YouTube videos detailing my valuation model and showing a bull case of at least $51 by 2027. And that valuation implies a 25x from XRP's current price of $2. This means that if you were to invest $40,000 at where XRP currently stands at $2, I believe that by 2027, you would have at least $1 million. So which one should you invest in? Well, if you love crypto's original idea, fully decentralized, no company involved money that's super secure against censorship, Bitcoin is your pick. It's been the safe store of value with proving staying power. But if you're anything like me, a future-focused investor chasing the biggest possible returns through real-world use and growth, XRP is your pick, and it's not even close. It's way faster and cheaper than Bitcoin for actual payments, has banking partnerships, CBDC potential. I'll make a separate video on CBDCs in the future, so subscribe if you want to see that. Booming asset tokenization, and now ETFs, all of which are fueling faster adoption. And the smaller market cap I mentioned earlier means XRP has more room for explosive gains without needing seemingly impossible amounts of money in a shorter period of time. And the setup looks very strong too. 2026 will be a bull market across crypto, with more liquidity and and more institutional interest. And I'll make a separate video on this in the future, so subscribe if you want to see that too. But the bottom line is this: Bitcoin is a steady winner for preserving your wealth, but XRP is the one with asymmetric upside that could turn solid investments into life-changing ones by 2027. The numbers don't lie. So that's the quick breakdown. So are you on Team Bitcoin or Team XRP? Or are you on both? Let me know in the comments, hit the like button if this helps, and subscribe for more straightforward crypto breakdowns in the future. See you next time.